everybody, my name is Santa Chance. Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be opening another Pokemon so you can tell me guys what this is at the comments below. Here I will pause the video if you want to read all these things. Also, yeah, but I'm not gonna read those things. I'm too bored. I want to see the pack. So let's do it, guys. I don't have any time, cause you know I'm very busy for like a ton of time. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. But I'm not gonna. Sorry guys, I'm not gonna give you the code. But I'm gonna show you the promo card. So here's the promo card. Tisarina. Okay, she has a 140 HP, and the pause here. So we'll put it at the side, and here's the coin. I'm gonna push it out. It's a Metagross. As you can see, every time you can see it in these kinds of packs. But here's the code card, but I'm not going to show it to you guys. So here's the pack. It's Lycanroc. Right. So let's not waste any more time. Oh my goodness. Okay. Alright. Oops. Well, it's a green code at least. We got a Gothita, a Pancham, a Alolan Vulpix, Chansey, a Petal, a Reverse Petal. Oh, wait, Fairly Vorvervi. I forgot to do the card trick. I'm sorry, guys. Oh, who cares? It's a green code card, so nothing too special. Petal, and the Gardevoir as a rare, and the water, a Tentacool, a Lampent, and a Sudowoodo. That's not much of a opening, but at least I showed you a nice. You know what? I'm gonna give you something. Here, a green code card. Take a look, cause it's gone. I tell you. Okay. So everybody, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time in another video. Thank you. Bye bye.